students say, I have no understand. Is it correct? No. So let's clearly understand the difference between not and no. অর্থাৎ কখন আমরা সেন্টেন্সের সাথে not ইউজ করব এবং কখন আমরা no ইউজ করব। Firstly, not. Not is an adverb. So not used with verb অর্থাৎ not ভার্বের সাথে ব্যবহৃত হবে। And the another side, no. No is an adjective or determiner. So no নাউনের সাথে ইউজ হবে বা নাউনের পূর্বে ব্যবহৃত হবে। Remember, when we talk about action, we use not, and when we talk about think or nouns, we use no. So now, see the common grammatical mistakes. And remember, it's very important for various kinds of competitive examination. Just remember this magical line. To get more such kinds of video, follow and subscribe IFTI Learning Academy from grammar to fluency. After all, thanks for watching.